This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making chicken legs steamed in soy sauce. I could not find bone-in chicken legs in the market this morning, so I bought a whole chicken instead. And I'm going to remove the two legs from this chicken. It is a whole lot cheaper to buy a whole chicken and cut it up yourself than it is to just buy the drumsticks, wings, or the breast. So, to save some money, buy a whole chicken instead. And it's not that difficult to cut it into parts. Chicken leg is the drumsticks and the thighs attached. First of all, we will need to remove the feet. Locate the joint between the feet and the drumsticks. And just slice between the joint. You should be able to slice through easily. You are not cutting through any bones. To remove the leg, cut through the skin between the thigh and the body. Lift the thigh and pop out the joint. Cut through the joint and you have a whole chicken leg. Again, you should be able to cut through this very easily as you're not cutting through any bones. I'm going to cut up the rest of the chicken and use it for some other dishes. Do the same for the other leg. Cut through the skin. Look for the joint. Pop it out and cut through the joint. To prepare the chicken leg, remove any visible fat. Then, at the back of the leg, run your knife through the top of the bone. Make an opening and expose the bone. This will allow the marinade to penetrate deeply into the meat. You may be wondering why we are not using boneless chicken thighs instead. That's because cooking with the bones, especially in steaming, makes the meat a lot more flavourful. Next, finely chop up 4 slices of ginger. And 1 stalk of spring onions. Marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Also add in a few dashes of white pepper. Rub the marinade into the chicken. Set it aside to marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours or overnight. If you do not have time, you can also use this immediately. These legs have been marinating for more than 2 hours. Remove them from the fridge and give them about 20 minutes to come back to room temperature. Steam the chicken over medium heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, test for doneness. Insert a knife next to the bone and make sure that the meat is no longer pink. Then, set it aside and let it cool. To serve, remove the bones from the chicken. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Then, drizzle the sauce over the chicken. This is chicken legs steamed in soya sauce.